Begin your day with a moment of peace. Welcome to your 5-minute morning meditation, designed to start your day right. As the sun starts its ascent and the world stirs from its slumber, let's take this fleeting moment to ground ourselves. Let's embrace the serenity of the morning, the stillness that invites us to pause, reflect, and prepare for the day ahead. As the world awakens, set an intention for a day filled with peace, positivity, and purpose. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs and expanding your chest and abdomen. Now, hold it. Feel the stillness within you. Exhale and imagine the stress, the worries, the doubts, leaving your body with the breath you release. Now let's repeat this cycle. As you do, concentrate on the rhythm of your breath. Notice how the world around you seems to quieten as you focus inwards. This is your moment of calm, your sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. With every cycle, let yourself sink deeper into this tranquil state. Feel the life-giving power of your breath, the simplest yet most profound part of your existence. Let it soothe your mind, calm your heart, and relax your body. Let each breath bring you deeper into a state of calm. Think of 3 things you're grateful for today. Could it be the very breath that gives you life, or the warmth of the sun touching your skin? Perhaps it's the love of a good friend or the beauty of nature that surrounds you. As you ponder upon these blessings, notice the surge of positivity within you. Gratitude has a magical way of turning what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. It makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Let this gratitude permeate your thoughts, your emotions, your very being. Allow it to ripple out from you, touching everyone and everything in your life. Feel how it uplifts you, how it strengthens you, how it brings joy and serenity to your heart. Embrace the warmth of gratitude as it fills your heart, uplifting your spirit. Visualize your day ahead. Picture the moments as they unfold, like a story in which you are the author and the protagonist. Feel the excitement of anticipation, the thrill of the unknown, yet also the certainty of your ability to navigate through it all. Imagine the tasks you will undertake. See yourself tackling each one with clarity and focus, transforming challenges into victories. Envision these victories as stepping stones, leading you towards your goals, inching you forward closer to your dreams. Now visualize the interactions you will have. Picture yourself spreading a wave of positivity with every word you speak, every gesture you make, every smile you share. Feel the warmth of this positivity returning to you, fueling your spirit, empowering your journey. This is your day, this is your story. Write it with purpose, live it with confidence. See yourself moving with confidence, achieving your goals, and spreading positivity in every interaction. Carry this sense of peace and purpose with you throughout the day. Like a gentle stream, let it flow through each moment, each interaction, each breath. Let it be the undercurrent of your thoughts, the rhythm of your heart, the essence of your being. Imagine this peace as a radiant light within you, illuminating your path, guiding your steps. As you walk through the day, feel your purpose anchoring you, grounding you, giving you strength. It's a beacon in the fog, a compass in the wilderness, your personal North Star. Acknowledge any challenges that arise as opportunities for growth. Remember, there's wisdom in resilience, strength in patience, and power in kindness. Each step you take is a testament to your journey, your courage, your determination. As you step into the world, embrace the day with open arms and an open heart. Remember, each morning is a new beginning. Start yours with intention and joy.